Hey guys and girls, and welcome back with another video. Hey everyone, check out my fidget spinner. I'm so fresh you could suck my nuts.
You autistic child.
I'm triggered! Oh! But that's not what I wanted to focus on today. What I wanted to focus on was this Fidget cube I got for $5 at Ross. So I kind of already took off some of the plastic. And yeah, I actually opened it before. So I messed up on the unboxing the first time. Somehow I accidentally made a vertical video. I should have probably got like my stand for my phone. This is the packaging taken apart. I bet I have the skills to put it back together at least. There we go. Here's our Fidget cube. It's like a grayish white joystick. You can even pull it out. You probably can't see me pulling it out. You can actually pull out on this one. Got a nice wheel, although it doesn't spin too smoothly. Switch that clicks nice and easy. 3 of these buttons click and 2 don't. Here's the 2 that don't, and then these 3 click, and we got a ball that clicks and rolls. And also, you got these roller dial gear things, whatever. And here we got a little worry stone. Yeah, I happened to get this at Ross, where you can get stuff at good prices. Found this for $5 there. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing / review. It's a brilliant idea, this Fidgety cube. That's what it's called. Comparable value $7. But yeah, that's about it. This is the Fidget cube, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Click here to view one of my random videos. Click here to watch my previous video, and click on my channel icon to subscribe. Well, what are you waiting for? Click something. Gosh, I don't have all day to stand here.